Today's the day. We're gonna switch out these 12s just like I promised. We're gonna put them in Rob's truck. We're gonna turn the gain up a little bit since I had it backed way down for those level ones. We're gonna see if it's any good. All right, it's Friday morning. Rob just pulled up. We're gonna take those old ones out, put the new ones in, figure out how to give them away to some people, first of all. But real quick, man, Rob, come on over here, man. Yeah. What's up, man? It's my boy Rob right here. Hey, man, you took care of your shit? You didn't get your shit stolen?
Nope.
You didn't let anybody touch the dials?
Nope.
You didn't fucking abuse it in any way. You just enjoyed it. And guess what? You got yourself an upgrade coming up. Ooh, we got some level 3s. We're gonna take those level 1s out, turn the gain up just a little bit. Normally the gain ain't a volume knob. Remember that. But I had this gain turned down for those level 1s. So we crack it back up just a little, get a little bit more power, and woofer should be on cruise control mode. They should be able to handle it no problem. So let's bring that thing in here, man, and let's get to work.
Do it.
All right. Yeah, it's a little dusty, but you know what, man?
It's my work truck.
I built this thing for you to ride and for you to work with. This is not a show truck. This is a work truck with beat. So
yeah,
it's all still there. It all looks good. Just a little dusty, a little dirty. No big deal. Shit, the wiring's clean still.
I don't think it's been open since the last time it.
Good. Got that MechMan alternator. Could use a little dusting. We'll wipe it off before you head out of here, but shit, you're looking good, man.
I just had air conditioning fixed. That's the only thing I've done.
All right, Rob, come check out your woofers, man. I got them sitting right over here. Yeah.
Whoa. These are nice. A lot more chunky.
Go ahead and pick it up, man. It's yours. You own those, man. I don't even own them anymore since you walked in the door today.
Yeah. These are a lot easier, man.
Wait till we put them next to the other ones when we take them out. Let's see that magnet.
Oh.
There you go.
Oh. Kind of heavy, man. Oh, it's killing it. How much are those weighing?
Yeah. Everything still looks good, Rob.
Thank you, sir. I take good care of it.
Looks just like it did when I left. I love that. I love it. All right, now the fun part. Take all these ones out, put those ones in, set the gain, send him on his way, just like that. Perfect condition, all 4 of them. That's what I love to see. Shit, that's a level 1? Are you serious right now? We're gonna have to sign these and give them away. Let's see what these level 3s look like right next to them. Oh wow, look at that. Wow, the difference is really apparent between the two. You got a much more robust surround, bigger triple stack magnet, 12 spoke basket. This is a nice woofer. This level 1 is nice. But this level 3, man, what a difference. Man. This ain't a bad woofer though, but you can see the difference. This thing's gonna throw a lot harder.
That looks a lot more chunky. Yeah, that looks like it's built for more power.
It is.
Wow. These sound great, but I can only imagine what those really sound like.
Especially once they get broken in, they're really tight right now.
Oh, they'll get broken in.
I know they will. All right, man. Let's wire these things up and put them in. That's it. They're done. Yeah, turn that shit up. All right, we're at 28 hertz. Oh yeah, he definitely gained. Pop that thing up to about 45 hertz. That was 28. Let's go up into something a little higher, like 45. What'd you see?
I thought I saw 145.
I thought I saw 146. Let's go. Raise it up a little higher, see what else we got in this thing. We're talking about here 48 hertz. All right. I was able to turn the amp up just a little bit Threw a little bass knob in here for him. He didn't have one before, so he can have a little bit of control over that extra low end. I think he's ready to hop in here and bump it and play it and enjoy it. Let's get him over here. Let's see. Hey, Rob. All right, Rob. You've officially been leveled up, man. Level 3 DC audio. Turn them up a little bit. Got you some decent gains.
Thank you, man.
Break them in a little bit, man. You're gonna like them a lot more. Let's bring it out there and listen to it real quick. Man, the mids and highs sound so damn crisp and clean in here, man. I love it. Bump that shit.
With these painkillers, I don't want my soul to be stained to obtain my will. I couldn't.
That's it, huh? Don't turn it up yet. He's got to put your sticker on. Can you see where the dead center middle is? Alright, man, you're all set up. We got one more thing to do, man. We're gonna give them woofers away. I need you to sign them for me.
Yeah.
You down?
Let's do that.
You ever had to autograph anything before? The Numinator?
We'll give an autograph right now.
Alright. Alright, so like I promised, we're gonna sign these things and give them away. I don't know how I'm giving them away yet. You're gonna have to like subscribe to this channel, set your notifications. It's gonna be real soon. But for right now, we're gonna get these things signed. I would write my name on the dust cap, and so would he, but you know, I would rather do it on the magnet because in case you don't want to look at the signatures all day long, you don't have to. So look at this. We'll just do this like this. Kind of hard to write on the chrome, but here you go. Sign that up. I'm gonna hold it up this round. Just scribble your name. There you go. Yeah, I love it. I love it. Look at that. Bam. We got 3 more to go. Right on. Good shit, good shit. Rob, like I said, you get leveled up. Enjoy your shit.
Thank you, brother.
And have fun.
I love you, man. Thank you.
We're out of here, man. Yeah.
Awesome.
All right, cool.
It should kind of get you, like, take some energy out of you. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
Takes your breath away and shit.
I've been grinding silent, now it seem that they blinded. I should give me some diamonds, cause I heard that bring eyes in. Oh, you used to, that's cool, I still rock with who riding. Same team and same name, still got my foot on the game. I just don't treat it the same, I use my heart, you can't that's right, and blew that. Who you thought? I was winning but spinning. Now I'm pushing, broke through the ceiling while stepping on feelings, feeling